Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your iPhone and the Airplay receiver share the same Wi-Fi network because Airplay streams via local network traffic. Once connected, swipe or pull down to open Control Center and tap screen mirroring or the Airplay icon. This initiates discovery. You'll see nearby compatible devices. Select the one you want. If a 4-digit code appears on the TV or speaker, enter it on your iPhone to pair and secure the connection. Then wait a moment for the stream to start. Once connected, decide how to cast. Choose Mirror to mirror the entire display, or pick the specific app's Airplay target for only that audio or video stream. You control playback and volume from either the iPhone or the receiving device's remote, so use whichever is most responsive. If you notice lag, make sure both devices have strong Wi-Fi signal. Close background apps on the iPhone to free CPU and bandwidth, and lower video resolution in the app to reduce buffering and improve smoothness. To end Airplay, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or select the Airplay icon in the app and disconnect. This cleanly releases the receiver. Once done, make sure to power off or put the receiver to sleep if desired. If playback won't start, restart both devices and your router to clear temporary network issues and confirm firmware and iOS are up to date for compatibility. A quick troubleshooting tip. If audio/video is out of sync, toggle Airplay off and back on to re-establish proper timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.